Yum, 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 yum. First kale. How are we doing? I'm Martin from Birdland, Homestead and Gardens for Life. So in this video I'm going to show you our baby rabbits that have just been born only a couple of weeks ago, and they're already hopping around with their eyes open, and I think they're going to start eating greens for the first time today. So let's take a look. So we got some greens here. Bring them in. So these are some kale, red Russian kale and Taunton Dean. You know, look at all these fellers. They are all excited too. Here, you can have some of that. They've just gotten oats now, but they love the greens, of course. We give them greens every day, and every once in a while a bit of oats. You can feed rabbits any kind of greens, especially kale, grass, and willows as well. Here's the mother rabbit. How are we doing? Here's the babies. Look at them. Excuse me. I'll be hiding. Look how tiny she is compared to the mother. So tiny. Let's see if they want to start eating some greens now. If they see the mother eating, maybe they'll eat some too. First time eating kale. I'm getting them used to being picked up already. Look, she's eating a bit of willow. Look. So cute. Yum, 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 yum. First kale. Nom, 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 nom. They're very relaxed now. I'm able to pick them up now. I won't pick you up while you're eating. Oh, come here, baby, Baba. You're okay. Don't be afraid. She's a good mother, this one. And she also has oats in the feeder here. But they love greens. Chickens and rabbits, I think any kind of animals actually, will always prefer greens over grains. How are you doing? You think the baby rabbits are super cute?
Yeah, and they're only like this size.
They're tiny, aren't they? Look at them. How cute they are. Pet one. Gentle. They get used to you. They get used to you. Oh. Cute. You get them used to being petted now.
But it's teased.
You can pick them up like this and then put them down again. So they know that nothing bad happens when you do that. They're a bit afraid now, but get used to you. First time eating kale now. And willow as well. First time eating anything other than the mother's milk, I guess. But maybe they were eating oats. I'm not sure if they can reach them in there. Maybe they can. So we actually had 6 rabbits originally. One unfortunately didn't make it in the first day, and then 2 more perished thereafter. I think it was not because of cold this time, because it's the summer now. So the mother didn't make a nest on time, unfortunately. So that means she normally would tear out some of her hair and make a nest to keep them warm. In the winter time, that can actually be the cause of hypothermia straight away within a few hours even. So it's very hard to look after them like that. But she is feeding them, and 3 of them, the 3 survivors, are doing very well. So we're very happy about that, and thankfully they're doing fine. You may be wondering why we're keeping them in a cage like this. Simply because rats or other animals might come in and eat them, because they're too small to defend themselves, and that's why we have to keep them in. This is 1-inch welded mesh, and we do put something on top, usually wood, but we don't have any at the moment, just to keep them a little bit, give them like a ceiling to make them feel safer, and to stop the owl swallows from pooping on the cage. And when they get bigger, we'll let them run in the rabbit run. They're going to have plenty of space and adventures and place even to dig. We don't mind our rabbits actually digging, because we dug the walls. These sheets of plywood right here, take a look at these. We dug them into the ground by about a foot. But I'll make another video about this in the future, and why we changed from cages like this one to keeping rabbits like this instead. There is certain aspects, obviously, they have a better life and they get to run more, and they also get to wear down their claws as well. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more of us, just subscribe to our email list. I'll put a link below, or just subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you don't mind. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Nom 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 nom.